Hey guys, it's Jairaj from JD Techling. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install ADB and Fastboot as well as update it on your Windows computer. This video will be separated in two different parts. First one will be for basic users and second one will be for advanced users. Advanced users can access ADB from anywhere via command prompt, while basic user will require to go to the directory where it's saved. First of all, go to this site. This is official website for downloading ADB and Fastboot SDK platform tools. This will be linked in the description below. Click on download SDK and platform tools for Windows. Click on agree. Click on download. This will start downloading the latest version of ADB and Fastboot for your computer. I am not downloading it because mine one is already downloaded. After download it complete, close it. Go where it's downloaded. Here is my file downloaded. Now open it and extract it wherever you want. I want to extract it in D drive. Click on OK to extract. It would take few seconds or minutes depending upon your computer. After it's done, close it and locate where you saved the files. In my case, I saved it here. Now to access ADB, you need to click here and type CMD and click enter. Now type ADB and press enter. If something like this shows up, then you are good to go. If doesn't appear, then you have made another something mistake. Download whole package again. Now for advanced users, I am going to show you how to install it. First of all, copy this path. Then click on this PC, right click it, click on properties, go to advanced system setting, go in environment variables, double click on path. Note that do not change anything in this or this may cause problems on your computer. Just simply click on new and paste your path and click on OK. Don't do anything else. I will not do it because I have already done it. Click on OK. Click on OK and then OK. Close it. Now to check whether it's installed properly or not, open CMD and type ADB. You are good to go. And now I will show you how to update your ADB. For that, go to that site again given in the link description. Download it and unzip it. Go to the location where you saved it previously. Clear all the files and then paste the new ones. And then you will be good to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and comment on this video. For more awesome content like this, subscribe to JD Tech Linked.